Hello investors and traders, today we'll speak about Walt Disney stock. We'll check it fundamental and technical analysis. So yesterday it was Walt Disney quarterly report. Let's see the figures. We can see that it was a good, the results higher than expectations. The EPS is better by 27%, and the revenue we see that in the range, so even higher than the estimated. The company earned more than 23 billion per quarter, quite high result and quite nice. Let's have a look on its report, on its results. So revenue quarterly basis, we can see the table summarizes the first quarter results for the fiscal 23 and 22. So quarter to quarter we can see that the revenue showing a growth by 8%. The income from continuing operation before income taxes higher by 5%, and the net income from continuing operations higher by 11%, and the EPS, earning per share, is higher by 11%. So quite nice, quite good figures. And the free cash flow here is lower, so we see that this parameter is not so high, not so good. But anyway, the other parameters the investors are like so much. Here we can see today the reaction, the stock up more than 4%. Now it's 116. By the way, Disney is one of my main big bets, big ideas for this year. So I told you 1 month ago about Disney that it can be a nice and great investment for this year using the Fibonacci. Maybe a few weeks ago I told you that the target here it can be 160, 102. So the target is here using the Fibonacci levels. Let's delete it. So now we can see that it's already very near my target. So great performance. Let's check its performance here to date. Is more than it's up more than 30%. So investors of course like so much that the surpass at the revenue, at the EPS. And also I heard that the company is planning maybe to reactivated dividend payment program. We saw it stop it here at the Corona period, 2018, 19, and 20 paid, but last 2 years it stopped its program of dividend payment, and now of course it could be it can come back. Also, let's have a look why I choose this stock to add to my portfolio, why I thought it can be a great idea. Here it was using the Elliott wave analysis. Here it was ABC move. The wave C can be considered also as a 5 wave. It was the finishing of the correction. By the way, here was major support level. It was about $80, and now we can see a bounce from this support level. And actually the RSI, the momentum indicator, here we can see, so it was already oversold at the beginning of the year. At the end of the year it was on the weekly basis 35, 37, so very low, so it was already oversold. So why not to try to buy a nice stock? We can see that now the PS ratio, let's check it. The PS ratio is actually the same as it was at the coronavirus. It's but historically last years it was even 5, even 6. Now it's only 2.4. So the PS ratio, the valuation, very low. So generally speaking, I'm very happy. I have this position in my portfolio, plus 30% since the beginning of the year. nice report, nice and very healthy company. The value of this company, in my mind now, it's very cheap. So generally speaking, Walt Disney, it's one of my favorites for this year. So if you liked this analysis, if you like my channel, so press the like button. Don't forget to subscribe, and of course, see you on the next time. Bye.